How to view your posts in X application. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection. After that, you can just go to the Play Store application and make sure that you have the updated version of the X application on your device. As you can see, there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of the app on our device. So I'm going to tap on open and it will lead me to the home page of X application on my device. So just wait until it loads. As you can see, I've already logged into my account. So what I'm going to do is just tap on the profile icon at the top left corner, then tap on profile. And as you tap on profile, you can see the post over here. So just scroll down and you'll be able to see all the posts that you have posted on X application. So here you can see all your posts, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.